how to pay with PayPal without credit card. In today's video, we are going to find out. So let's just get started with the video. So for that, first of all, log in into a PayPal account at paypal.com or through the PayPal application itself. Once you are here, when you head over to the wallet tab here, you can go ahead and directly select up a payment method and link up a bank here. So you can choose the bank account and enter up your bank details to link in it and do so. And when checking out, you can look out for the PayPal button. So you can head over and look out for send a request option as well. And from there, you can just go ahead and select your PayPal as a payment option. Well, in order to do so, you need to have a negative balance for that, and customers can only add funds from their bank account to the PayPal account when they have a negative balance in order to pay without credit card. So you can just go ahead and do so, and once confirmed, you can select PayPal as a payment option and as a payment add the payment method for the transaction, and you can just go ahead and do so. You can link a prepaid debit card to your account such as Visa, MasterCard also in order to do so. So in order to pay with PayPal without card, you may also follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.